Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, this is Anamika and today I'm up with another video, and as you can all see, the video is all about 5 DIY ingredients you should never use for a DIY. चाहे वो कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म हो, it be YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok जो कभी था, and many other platforms, you always see a DIY video to be like having million views and 1,000 views, and I don't know how. I mean, like, okay, I know some things are really natural and that can give your skin a real glow and which will not harm your skin, but you should know what to use and what not to. So yes, here I am today to tell you which ingredients you should never use in your DIY. The most common ingredients are the major ingredients you should never use in your DIY. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's start. बहुत ही बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट से हम शुरू करेंगे, विच इज़ यू ऑल नो लेमन. लेमन लोग ऐसे यूज़ करते हैं अपनी स्किन पे जैसे एक ही दिन में उनकी स्किन कर करके सारी अच्छी हो जाएगी, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. आई डोंट नो, लेमन इज़ मोस्टली पीपल से कि लेमन को यूज़ करोगे आपकी अपर स्किन निकल जाएगी और अंदर वाली स्किन निकल के आएगी त्वचा, और पता नहीं क्या कैसे लोग. ओके, सो मैं आपको इसका एक साइंटिफिक रीज़न, मतलब आई विल टेल यू द रीज़न वाई यू शुड नॉट यूज़ लेमन इन योर इंग्रेडिएंट्स. सो बेसिकली आवर स्किन लेवल pH इज़ 5.5. बहुत ज़्यादा साइंस हो गया, आई नो. तो आवर नॉर्मल स्किन लेवल इज़ 5. pH level is 5.5 and the lemon pH level is 2.5, which makes it very acidic for your skin, जो आपकी स्किन को बिल्कुल जला सकती है, लिटरली जला सकती है अंदर तक, which can just leave you with burns and you'll never ever able be to repair it. पर ये नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट है तो ये कैसे हार्म करेगा? ये कर रहा है हार्म एक्चुअली. यू गाइस रियली डोंट नो. People using lemon like, oh god, रगड़ दो उसको पूरी स्किन पे, आज पूरी स्किन साफ हो जाएगी. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. And you know actually what high pH do to your skin. It causes hyperpigmentation, decoloration, redness, itching and what not. So why you're using lemon in your ingredients? Like, you should stop it right now. Let me tell you the replacement of lemon. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C. Yes. So vitamin C के serums क्यों नहीं ले लेते हो यार? Vitamin C के serums इतने अच्छे आते हैं. You know, they are on the vitamin C serums are so good to your skin because they are actually made for your skin and they are not acidic, they are not too basic. You can use them because they are specially made for your skin. So use vitamin C serum instead of lemon. Now this ingredient is something which I guess not many of you might know, but I'll tell you. Coconut oil. Coconut oil. I've seen many people using coconut oil. Even once I was also using coconut oil for like cleansing. I thought makeup for cleansing your makeup and for just like a beginner, but I thought coconut oil would work. But yes, it actually harmed my skin a lot because coconut oil does not go into your skin. It's just over your skin and it's just leave your pores clogged. वो आपके पोर्स को एकदम बंद कर देता है, जिससे आपकी स्किन सांस नहीं ले पाती. डू यू फर्दर लाइन? सांस नहीं ले पाती और स्किन सांस नहीं ले पाएगी, योर स्किन विल बी डेड. सो या पहले कोकोनट ऑयल यूज़ करने से सोचना आज के बाद कि कोकोनट ऑयल क्यों यूज़ करना है. कोकोनट ऑयल एक ऐसा ऑयल है जो आई हैव हर्ड लाइक मैनी थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू इट. लाइक कोकोनट ऑयल इज़ गुड फॉर योर हेयर. ऑब्वियसली कोकोनट ऑयल इज़ गुड फॉर योर हेयर बट नॉट फॉर योर स्किन. Coconut oil is not at all good for your skin. You should stop using it immediately. It clogs pore and it just leave your skin with lot of breakouts. So yeah, instead of coconut oil you can go for hemp seed oil and like tea tree oil and further oils which just go onto your skin and doesn't clog your pores. Next ingredient is I don't know why people use it. I just don't know. It's a toothpaste. I have seen so many DIYs. Toothpaste will clear your acne, toothpaste will clear your skin, toothpaste will remove your dark spots. Oh my god, please, toothpaste can cause chemical burns on your skin. Wait a minute, let me tell you one thing. Toothpaste is good for cleaning your teeth, but not for your skin. Right? So why you're using toothpaste for cleaning your skin? And I mean, there is a difference between your teeth and your skin. So yes, instead of using toothpaste, the people who actually use toothpaste, I just don't know why they are using toothpaste to your skin. Skin से ही प्यार नहीं है. हाँ. So for the people who are using toothpaste, let me tell you, you can use cleansers, gels, lotions for your skin, which are made for like your skin type. Okay? So try not using toothpaste. Don't use toothpaste, please. I don't know why people use it. So like toothpaste was not very common, but yes, I have seen in the DIYs, in many DIYs, and I have seen live examples too using toothpaste. So yeah, let's come to the another ingredient, which is baking soda. अब हमने pH की बात डिस्कस कर ही ली है, तो नॉर्मल pH क्या है हमारी स्किन का? 5.5 and baking soda is 9.9. It just make your skin worst and even worse. By using it for the first time, it can just damage your skin onto the another levels which you just cannot imagine. So yeah, stop using baking soda as well. What baking soda actually do to your skin is just tear your skin tissues, which just give you rashes, but it completely make your skin the worst it can make. So baking soda is not really an option to use for your removal of blackheads and removal of anything. Please stop using baking soda. Next ingredient is coffee groundnut. Also, you should not use salt. The reason for not using coffee and salt is exactly the same, so I'll just discuss it over here. You should not use salt and coffee groundnuts because they have really very sharp edges which tears your skin. Yes, completely tear. So if you should never use these on your face. You can use face exfoliants like physical exfoliator, chemical exfoliator, or you can use scrubs as well, which are really good, which are really made for your skin. I will just like to say one thing: not everything you see in DIYs is good for your skin. Just because it's natural and raw doesn't mean it won't harm your skin. No, please clear this doubt. Okay, everything natural and raw won't harm your skin. It's completely no, it's not like that. And also I would like to mention that DIYs, you actually don't know what amount of that particular ingredient you want to use in that mask, or what amount of things you need to use so that you can make it a perfect mask. No, you don't know actually. So yeah, I personally I feel like some DIYs like curd, besan are really good. Haldi, but haldi बहुत ही कम amount में you wanna add. These ingredients are okay, they are really good for your skin, but not on daily basis. You can just use them for once a week or twice in a month. But these DIY ingredients which I have mentioned in the video, please don't use them. And if you're using them right now, please stop using them because they'll harm your skin in the end and you'll be regretting using them. That's it for my video. I hope you guys really find this video useful, and if you have any kind of doubts regarding any DIYs, you can please go and Google it, what harm it can cause to your skin, if you don't believe me. So yeah, I think it was a bit informative video, and if you find it, I think it was a bit informative video, and if you find it informative, so there's no harm in pressing the like button and commenting down on my comment section and subscribing to my channel. This would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you till next video.